All right, so this is what it looks like with the original headlights. Pretty bright, pretty orange. That's how bright they are. So we're gonna go ahead, go for a quick drive, look how it looks on the road, and then we'll come back, change them out. I mean, you gotta go with the Mamba number 5. So to do the fog lights, we had to take out 3 T20 screws that hold the fender liner on to get to the fog light right behind the Spider. Don't worry about him. And to get the fog light out, all you gotta do is push down on the very top. There's a little clip and it pulls right out. Okay, to get that fog light out, you have to push the clips on the top and on the bottom inward, and then just pull the whole thing straight out. And then there's the bulb. This one was burnt out already.
What happened to the car?
We're filming, Ma. Oh. That's going in.
What, you ready?
Yeah.
To you.
All right, to get the headlight out, you have to, there's a red tab. You pull it back towards the driver's seat, and then just like it is now, and then you push down on the very top. It'll flex slightly, and that's when you go ahead and you just pull the whole clip out, just like that.
Regular quarter turn.
And then a little quarter turn. There's the old bulb, and then we'll put in the new. So that's what it looks like. Left one is original, right one is the new LED. And you can just see the difference off of one. We're gonna change the other one out. You check out the light work. Right here. Oh yeah. Right there? Yep. That's your boy. Anyone need electrical work done in all of United States? Clairsies. I wonder how straight I held the camera.